December's quiet magic invites us to bring the garden indoors, keeping our connection to nature alive even as the world outside sleeps. Instead of waiting for spring, we can nurture life on a windowsill, finding joy in the small, steady rewards of winter cultivation. Snipping fresh herbs for a soup or watching a seed sprout becomes a gentle act of hope. Your indoor garden is a sanctuary, a place of calm and focus, reminding us that growth continues, even in stillness. You don't need fancy equipment, just a bright spot, a few pots, and patience. Winter gardening is about observation and simple, thoughtful care, not perfection. Embrace the slower pace and the beauty of a single leaf or tender shoot. This is a time to deepen your understanding of plants and their needs. Caring for something living grounds us, offering peace during the busy festive season. Even a few pots on a shelf can be a source of calm and well-being. Let's nurture both our plants and ourselves this winter. Ready to begin this gentle project together? Winter brings less light and cooler temperatures, changes your indoor plants feel too. With shorter days and weaker sun, plants slow down, entering a restful semi-dormancy. Forcing growth now only exhausts them. Our job is to support their natural rhythm. Windowsills offer light but can be cold, especially at night, chilling sensitive roots. Cold roots struggle to absorb water and nutrients, so plants may look thirsty even if the soil is damp. Our challenge is to buffer plants from these extremes, offering more light and protecting roots from drafts. Aim for a cozy, consistent environment where plants can rest until spring. Understanding this slowdown helps us provide gentle, supportive care. With patience, our green companions will emerge healthy and ready for spring's burst of growth. Let's become guardians of their winter rest. Just as we bundle up in winter, our plants' roots need insulation from the cold. Lift pots off cold surfaces, use cork mats, cardboard, or even a spare book to prevent heat loss. Grouping plants together creates a shared microclimate, helping them stay warm. Try double potting. Place a pot inside a larger one and fill the gap with moss or newspaper for extra insulation. Watch for drafts. Run your hand along windows and doors and move sensitive plants away from cold glass at night. Even small adjustments, like a draft excluder, make a big difference. These thoughtful steps keep roots comfortable and healthy all winter. A little effort now prevents stress and helps plants thrive. Protecting roots is the foundation of winter plant care. Keep your indoor garden cozy, and your plants will thank you come spring. Some plants thrive indoors in winter's lower light and cooler temperatures. Microgreens, young seedlings of veggies and herbs, are quick, nutritious, and ready to harvest in a week or two. Grow them from seeds like radish, broccoli, or mustard in shallow trays for a fresh, flavorful boost. Cut and come again salad leaves like mizuna and rocket offer ongoing harvests from a windowsill box. Hardy herbs such as parsley, chives, and mint do well indoors. Pot up a clump from the garden for fresh winter sprigs. Sprouting beans and seeds, like mung beans or alfalfa, need only a jar and water, thriving even in low light. These crops aren't about self-sufficiency, but about the joy of nurturing life and tasting your own harvest. Each sprout and leaf is a reminder of growth, even in the heart of winter. Choose easy, rewarding plants to keep your indoor garden lively. Celebrate the small victories of winter growing. With daylight scarce, help your plants capture every ray. Place them in the brightest spots. South-facing windows are ideal. Clean windows and plant leaves to maximize light. Use white card, foil or mirrors behind pots to reflect light and encourage even growth. If needed, supplement with a simple LED desk lamp on a timer for a few extra hours of light. Position artificial lights 6 to 12 inches above plants for best results. Even small boosts make a big difference for seedlings and leafy crops. Focus on efficiency. No need for expensive setups. These tricks keep your indoor garden thriving through the darkest months. Every bit of light helps your plants stay healthy and strong. Winter watering is all about restraint. Plants need far less than in summer. Overwatering is the most common mistake. Soggy soil leads to root rot. Always check the soil before watering. If it's dry an inch down, water. If not, wait. Let soil dry slightly between waterings to allow roots to breathe. When watering, soak thoroughly, then let pots drain completely. Never let them sit in water. Use room temperature water to avoid shocking roots. Cacti and succulents need very little water. Leafy greens and herbs need a bit more, but still less than in summer. Watch for subtle cues. Wilting or drooping leaves mean thirst. Learn your plant's needs. Each one is different. Mindful watering keeps your indoor garden healthy all winter. It's a quiet conversation between you and your plants. Good air circulation is vital for healthy indoor plants, especially in winter. Stagnant air encourages fungal diseases. Gentle movement keeps problems at bay. Run a small fan on low for an hour or two daily to mimic a natural breeze. Don't overcrowd. Group plants for warmth, but leave space for air to flow. Remove dead leaves and keep the area tidy to prevent pests and disease. Rotate pots and thin dense growth for better airflow. Cleanliness and fresh air create a resilient, thriving indoor garden. Balance warmth and airflow for happy, healthy plants. Winter care is an investment in your plant's future. Healthy, well-tended plants will burst into life when spring arrives. Perennials like citrus or pelargoniums especially benefit from gentle winter care. Use this time to plan, dream, and prepare for the coming season. Small successes, like a pot of parsley or a tray of microgreens, build confidence and joy. Every act of care now is a promise of spring's abundance. Keep your hands in the soil and your heart in the seasons. You and your plants will be ready to greet the light when it returns. Winter is not an end, but a beautiful pause, a time for rest and renewal. Indoor gardening invites us to slow down, observe, and find peace in simple tasks. These mindful moments anchor us and offer respite from the rush of life. Reflect on the year's lessons and dream of gardens to come. Your windowsill garden is a haven, a symbol of hope and patience. Growth often happens quietly beneath the surface. Winter is for gathering strength and preparing for abundance. When the light returns, you'll be ready, alongside your thriving plants.